Hi guys, so if you want to convert MBR to GPT during the installation of Windows 10, you can easily do that. So let's see how to do it. So let's say your installation process is going down. Now you'll click on install now. Now once you reach this screen, just press Shift and F10 from your keyboard. Okay, your command prompt window will appear. Okay, now you have to write disk part. Okay, hit enter key. Now you have to write list disk, hit enter key. Now you have to select your primary disk 0, hit enter key. Now you have to write clean, hit enter key. Now you have to write convert GPT, hit enter key. Now you have to write exit finally, and now close the command prompt window and continue with the installation process. Thanks you guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek page.